Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious lazy enchiladas. As you can see, they look so tempting, really easy to make, and they taste delicious. This recipe is perfect for weekday dinner. So let's get started with the video. So for vegetables, I'm using some minced garlic, bell peppers, finely chopped onion, and some zucchini. Vegetables, whatever you have on hand, you can use. Here I'm also going to add some fresh tomatoes. I will be also adding tomato puree to it just to get nice color. My oil is ready and hot into this pan, so I am adding cumin powder into this oil and some minced garlic, and I'm just going to saute this minced garlic into the oil until it turns little green and release all nice fragrance flavor to this oil. So let this cook for a few seconds. As you can see, our garlic is ready, and now I'll add my chopped onion to it and cook this onion until they turn little softer. Our onions are ready, so I will add rest of my vegetables to it. Whatever vegetables you're using, you can add it to it this stage. Now I will add my fresh minced tomatoes to it. Give it a stir, and I will let this cook for about a minute. Now time to add beans. I'm adding black beans and pinto beans as well. So I have some leftover frozen pinto beans, so I will be adding that here as well. And tip is, if you want this with the rice, you can add raw rice to this, add some water, and 10-15 minutes your beans will be ready with the rice. Now here I'm adding this tomato puree, frozen one. Next is taco seasoning. So like I said, this is really lazy way to make, but turns out really delicious. Oregano, salt, give it a stir, and I will take out some for my kid, and then I will add some chili flakes to it. I'm skipping rice today. Sometime I add rice and cook it in one pot. Here I'm adding some chili flakes to make it a little spicier. That's how we prefer. And this our beans, tomato sauce, whatever you call our enchilada sauce is ready. And now let's move on to our tortillas, and I will show you how to prepare them. Now I have piled up 2 to 3 tortillas, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pizza cutter and just cut it into the square or diamond shape or whatever you prefer. Just cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can keep it big if you prefer. These are the perfect size for me. Smaller works great too. So now I'm just going to layer our enchiladas. So first here it goes our beans tomato sauce, and on top just layer the tortillas that we prepare. Make sure you cover all the beans. Now layer cheese on top of the tortillas, and then we're gonna repeat the process. And it's like a lasagna, but this is lazy enchilada casserole. And create it, build it however you prefer. If you like more cheesy, add more cheese. If you like less moisture, add more tortillas. If you like more beans mixture, add more beans mixture. Whatever you prefer, you can create it. Here is my final layer with the cheese, and adding some cilantro on top with some serrano peppers because we like spicy. And now this is ready to go into the oven for baking. Bake until all the cheese is nicely melted, just like this, and looks yummy. Trust me, this turned out so delicious. This is a must-try recipe. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this recipe with your lovely ones who prepare dinners for you, spending a lot of time in the kitchen. So let's thank them and forward this recipe, and thank you for watching.